A brief explanation of sablefish. Sablefish are a deep water fish found from Mexico through the Bering Sea. They're most common in the waters of the Pacific Northwest and Alaska. But I thought they went extinct thousands of years ago, you might be saying. No, that's the saber-toothed tiger, a common mistake. Sablefish are also known as black cod or, and I swear I'm not making this up, the aristocrat of the ocean.
Yes, very good.
Males can grow to about 2 feet long, while females grow over 3 feet long. They are super commuters, with some undertaking migrations of more than 1,000 miles.
Let's go.
Sablefish are opportunistic predators, eating everything from other fish to squid, crustaceans, and octopuses. Octopi. The ones with the tentacles. Sablefish can live up to 90 years, so don't forget to fund those retirement plans, fellas. Sablefish is a whitefish, high in omega-3s, protein, and vitamin B12. The collar, belly, and fillets are the most common cuts. Some adjectives used to describe sablefish meat are flaky, buttery, luscious, rich. Some adjectives not used to describe sablefish meat: corpulent, intransigent, ticklish, wistful. Here are some of our favorite recipes: Cantonese-style sablefish, Nobu-style sablefish, and blackened whitefish tacos. Check out more recipes and order your sablefish today at sitkaseafoodmarket.com.